Who is she? Is she a model?
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find the beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her.
Oh my god, you guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to the first weekly challenge of 2020. I'm really tired. It's Sunday when I get this video up to you guys, but I cannot be bothered with actually putting on makeup and like doing the whole like filming shebang. So like this is what you get. And I actually, in the clips you're about to see, I talked about how every time you see me, I look like a hot mess, and that's no different. We're keeping in theme with the video. So today's video is a weekly challenge of doing yoga every day for a week. You'll love to see it. It was actually going to be something very different, which we will see as my week goes on in those clips, but we did yoga every day for a week. I wanted to do this because one, at the start of the week I pulled something in my back was not having it. Also just to like be zen, relax, kind of ring in 2020 with like some good vibes, you know, some namaste vibes. So we did yoga every day, Monday through Friday, and I have to say I enjoyed it more than I thought. I'm not a huge fan of yoga, to be honest, because it just makes me feel inadequate. I'm not very flexible. I don't really like to hold like a position for too long. Like my stamina, my core strength, not all there. So yoga not necessarily intimidates me, but it's just not my choice workout. I like to like lift weights. I like to do the Stairmaster, do a spin class, something a little more high energy. So yoga, not my cup of tea, but I was like, you know what, let me do it for a week, see how I feel about it, because I've also, anytime I've done yoga, I've done like one class and that's it. Like I've never seen results from yoga because I've never done it literally more than once. So I wanted to see like how, like, can I get better at this? Can I progress? So that's what we did this week. So I guess without any further ado, let's jump into our first challenge of 2020. You'll love to see it. Good morning. Yeah, I haven't been on camera in what feels like a lifetime. It's also freezing downstairs right now, but it is day one of another weekly challenge, my first weekly challenge of the year. And although I'm getting over a cold, really bad cough, and also like maybe threw my back out a tiny bit, I'm still gonna do it. Is this what the doctor ordered? Probably not. This is exactly probably what the opposite of what the doctor would order for me, but I only just got health insurance, so that's a different story. We're gonna weigh in. I am scared, so scared to weigh in right now because December was a crazy month of a lot of fast food and little to no exercise. I honestly haven't been to the gym since, I think I was still 26 when I went to the gym last. It might have been before my birthday, if not just one other time after my birthday. But yeah, it's a new day. It's a new year, actually. It's a fucking new day. It's a whole new year. So 2020, this is the year we get our dream body. So let's weigh in and let's see how we're gonna do. I'm scared. I'm avoiding this, but that's okay. On a serious note, like, weight is just a number. I only weigh myself for these videos to track my progress, but also to track my progress in life, because I know I've been eating like shit and not exercising, so I know it's going to show on the scale, but that is okay because we can only be better from here on out. So now I'm rambling because I'm avoiding the scale, but let's do. I put you guys facing the wall because I like to get naked to weigh myself, because you know, every ounce counts at this point. It's like, doesn't really make a difference, but I'm just gonna get a little naked look. Oh, that's my shirt. We're gonna get the scale and we're gonna cry about it. No, we're not gonna cry. We're not gonna cry. Okay, you ready? Oh man, I'm scared. Oh, okay. Okay, so 204.2 is the weight. I'm kind of shocked I'm not like 220 right now, but that could be me being dramatic. But anyway, I'm gonna go put on my gym clothes and then I'll see you guys. I've been sitting in this car for so freaking long, like literally cannot get myself up out of this seat. I cannot get out of this seat. Like, I still feel sick and my back still hurts, but we have to commit to the weekly challenges. Oh my god, this is actually could be traumatic. I might like hurt myself. Do I do this? Oh my god, no. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. You know what? Maybe I switch this up and I go home and do yoga for a week because my back hurts. That's not the worst idea I've ever had. Honestly, yeah. Okay, plot twist. This was gonna be a week of HIIT workouts, but I threw out my back, so I feel like that's not a smart thing to do. Also, I'm still sick, so it's probably still also not a smart thing to do. I think I'm gonna go home and do some yoga and make this week a week of doing yoga. That was already on my content calendar for this month, so I think I'm gonna do that. See you at home? Why did I even fucking drive here? I'm a mess today. The new year, I wasn't ready for it. I thought I prepped. Didn't prep. Okay, see you at home. I just got this yoga block from Target, so we're gonna use it in our first workout. I'm using Meech's yoga mat, and we're gonna do the damn thing. This thing was only $5, which probably means my ass is gonna crush it, but we'll see. I found this 15-minute morning yoga for beginners weight loss edition. So let's do it. Also, let me turn on my Apple Watch so I can track this. For more yoga videos for beginners. Okay, that was super easy. Tomorrow, we're gonna do something more, first of all, longer and a little bit more sweaty. I don't know. This one seemed too easy. I obviously like put beginners because I'm not like a yoga person, but I could have done more than that. I definitely could have done more than that. That was definitely like beginner. So I'm gonna link all of the workouts I do, all the yogas I do this week. I'll link them down below so you guys can try if you want. But this one was definitely for super beginner, like if you've never done yoga before in your life. Hopefully Meech wants to go to the gym later and I can do some cardio too, because 2020, we're trying to shed these pounds. I have so many weddings coming up this year, so we're trying to shed for everybody else's wed. But yeah, that's today's workout. Report back tomorrow. I did love doing it in my new studio, have to say. Studio tour coming soon. Wow, I look crazy, but I honestly don't even care because I'm about to do my yoga, day 2, do my yoga, and then jump in the shower and get on with my day. Today we're gonna do a 30-minute video I found from a channel called Yoga with Cassandra. Like I said, I will link all of the yoga workouts I do down below for you guys to try. But today, I definitely want to do something a little more intensive. Also, if you can see, like, my studio is kind of a mess because I filmed some Instagram tutorials yesterday. So, like, the lighting is all still in here, but doesn't matter. Let's get into this half-hour yoga workout. Let me get the yoga mat. Okay, wow, I liked that yoga class way better. It was way more relaxing and I felt more flexible. It was like more challenging. Like keeping my balance was more challenging, but that was more like the yoga classes I've taken before. So I can already tell you I'll probably be a little bit sore tomorrow. We'll see you guys tomorrow for some more yogi. Okay, you guys, it is day 3 and I'm getting a very late start. It's actually after 7 and I still look like a hot mess because today was definitely just like an editing and errands day. So like this morning after I dropped Meech off from the train I went to Target, did some shopping, and then I was just editing all day on the computer, kind of like taking care of some like admin stuff, made some doctor's appointments, like just figured shit out. So I've just been in my workout clothes literally all day, but I haven't gotten to do my yoga workout, so we're gonna do it now. I found this yoga workout. It says yoga for weight loss and body fat, belly fat, complete beginner's fat burning workout at home, and it's about 25 minutes long, so I feel like this is gonna be good. I also I have to say, this, like my upper body, I think from those like baby cobras or that cobra pose, this is like all sore. It feels like not tremendously sore, like it hurts, but like earlier I did like a stretch, like I was stretching my back in my chair, and I was like, oh, I feel something there. So are we getting stronger? I don't know. Also, my back, remember on Monday when my back really hurt? My back feels a lot better today. Yesterday it still hurt, but today it feels a lot better. So I'm thinking all of my downward dogs, all of my cobras, like the stretching is really, really helping, which is the point. It's kind of like why I decided to move this challenge up to this week, because my body was in pain and I needed some stretching. So let's get this workout number 3 in and get a move on. I'm actually very happy about this challenge. I'm not gonna say I like yoga, but I'm liking the yoga benefits, you know? Okay, you guys, another day of me looking like a hot mess. You know what that means? It's time to do some yoga. So I'm gonna do just a 20-minute class today because Meech is annoying me and rushing me. So let's do it. Either way, I gotta get this yoga done. So let's go. Okay, you guys, I actually somehow lost the last clip of the last day of doing yoga, but I did do yoga every single day. Don't you worry, girl. I have to say, this week, yoga isn't as hard as I thought it was gonna be. Like I was picking beginners classes in the videos because I was like, oh, I'm definitely a beginner, but then I was doing them, I was like, oh, I could definitely handle more. Like this is like kind of easy. Obviously I didn't have like perfect balance with all the moves. I was like, I feel like I could do like some more intricate moves, not like headstands or anything, but like I feel like I could work up a little further than just like a warrior 2, do you know, right? Like I want to like kick my leg in the air like at least once, you know? In terms of like results, weight loss, no weight loss. Like literally weighed myself this morning, have not lost a single pound. Nothing. Zilch. Nothing. I wasn't really expecting to lose any weight just because I knew it was like a very low intensity workout. All the workouts I did were like no more than 30 minutes. Like I just kind of knew, I just knew I wasn't really gonna lose weight. But this challenge to me was more about flexibility, balance, and my freaking back. My back hurt so bad on Monday when I started this, and now no back pain at all. So I feel like doing the yoga, doing the stretches really, really helped with that. I do kind of live with somewhat like chronic back pain because of like previous injuries I've had. Like basically my back and my shoulders like always hurt, and I feel like the yoga is really, really good for that. I don't think I'll be doing yoga every day, but I feel like I can take some of these poses like child's pose, downward dog, like do some of these moves when I just feel a little tense, or like try to do a little bit of stretching every day, which is, oh my God, my worst. Like I can work out every single day and like literally never stretch. And I know that's like any trainer, anybody will tell you like you need to stretch, but I just hate it. I feel like it's, it's an additional thing that I don't want to do once I'm done with my workout. I want to get the hell out of the gym, yoga in particular, but like stretching actually does work. It does help your body. Like, I mean, I knew that, but you know, like I'm one of those people that I have to like prove it to myself before I actually believe something. Meech will tell you that because we fight about it. But I just needed to like see it for myself. Now I know stretching, yoga is very good for your body, and it will actually make you feel a lot better. I did actually end up feeling like, not today, but towards the mid, like Wednesday, Thursday, I was actually pretty sore like in my upper body, probably from all those downward dogs. Like I really hate upper body workouts, so I was probably mostly sore on the upper body because that's like my weakest point. My abs didn't get very sore. I thought I would have more soreness in my stomach and my core, but I didn't. But it wasn't also like anything too crazy in terms of soreness. Like, you know, when you do like a harsh leg day and you can't even sit down because your thighs are like dying. It wasn't like that. It was more like if I like stretched over my head, I'd be like, ooh, I'm sore. Like it's like one of those afterthought kind of sorenesses. I will say I do feel more flexible. This is gonna be a little TMI. Mom, if you're watching, please click off. But this week during intercourse, I felt more flexible. That's like weird, but like I felt like a lot more flexible, which is great. I'm just perfect, amazing. Like love that for me and for Meech, you know? So that was like one thing I noticed, and I was like, oh shit, is the yoga working to this benefit? We kind of live for it, you know? But yeah, that was basically my results in terms of like my body. I feel like you have to do yoga for a long time to like see actual weight loss results if that's the only thing you're doing in terms of exercise. Yoga is probably the slowest way to lose weight in terms of exercise of all time, just because, I mean, unless you're doing like 10 hours of yoga a day like that. Oh my God, have you guys seen the Bikram yoga documentary? That shit is wild. Like that shit is wild. It's like R. Kelly but for yoga. Scary, but like also, how the hell were these people doing so much yoga every day? Like that sounds insane. But yeah, this is kind of a little bit of a lame challenge. I did it. Did I enjoy it? I'm not gonna lie, I enjoyed the fact that the challenge was so low maintenance. It only took 20-30 minutes out of my day. I could do it right here in my studio. Didn't even have to. I haven't been in the gym all week because I didn't have to go, because I could do it right here at home, which I actually did really enjoy. I thought about doing the yoga at the gym, but like, isn't the point of yoga to be like nice and zen? And like, there was no way it was gonna be zen in a loud ass gym, even if I put headphones in. Like, there's just no way that I would have enjoyed that. So I really did enjoy this challenge because it was pretty low maintenance. And I also enjoyed just being like more zen, more relaxed, you know? So this upcoming week is another kind of zen wellness kind of challenge. So I hope you guys look out for that. Make sure you hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. But yeah, let me know down in the comments, are you a yoga person? Do you think it's annoying? Do you love it? Like, let me know down below. Thank you guys for watching the first challenge of 2020. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video.